guys, so hello and welcome back to Gamers Planet for you. Today I will be showing you guys how to redeem Roblox gift cards on mobile, guys. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your Google Chrome browser, guys. I usually would suggest doing it Google Chrome and not Google, because there are some things on mobile that you can do better with Google Chrome instead of Google. So after that, guys, I'm going to go to Roblox.com, guys, /redeem. You could, and guys, on mobile, you cannot just go to the Roblox app and do it. It won't work, guys. You can't just go to the Roblox app and do it. So, yeah. After that, guys, just gonna want to log in. Okay, guys, so after you've logged in, you're gonna get to a screen that shows like this, and here is where you can actually redeem the Roblox gift cards, guys. It will not work if you go to the Roblox mobile app, guys. Don't try that. It won't work, because there is literally nowhere. There is nowhere. I'll show you guys. Yeah, so guys, I'm here, but there is absolutely nowhere that we can redeem our Roblox gift cards, guys. This is like the game section. Even if you press on the Roblox button, guys, there is nowhere you can go there, like redeem Roblox gift cards. You have to do it in the browser, guys. I'm just gonna keep going, guys. Avatar, obviously I can't. Chat, more, like, even here, guys, if I check all over here, every single tab, yeah, there's nowhere, guys. So, yeah, you have to go to Chrome, guys, and you have to do it here, guys. Also, with Google Chrome, it's also, you can copy and paste too, guys. So just go to my video, guys. I will put a card there right now at the top right of the screen, guys. Right now, go to the video that shows how to copy and paste on mobile, guys, and you'll see there. All you gotta do is type in the pin code here, guys. Something. And guys, then you just need to press redeem, and then you're good, guys. So this is how to redeem Roblox gift cards on mobile, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already, guys. And I'll see you guys on next time on Gamers Planet. Remember that Gamers Planet is for you guys. Bye.